I'm David Ienna from Fairmax Law. If you're considering filing for bankruptcy and you have existing contracts, whether for a lease, services, or business agreements, you might be wondering how bankruptcy will affect those obligations. Today, I'm going to explain how bankruptcy impacts contractual agreements and what options you have moving forward. Contracts are legal agreements that create obligations between two or more parties. When you file for bankruptcy, you're generally given the option to either assume, reject, or assign these contracts. Each option has its own consequences, and the right choice depends on your specific situation. In bankruptcy, assuming a contract means you choose to continue honoring the agreement as if the bankruptcy never happened. This is often the case for leases or contracts that are beneficial to you or your business. On the other hand, rejecting a contract allows you to terminate the agreement, which can relieve you from ongoing obligations or liabilities under the contract. If you're filing under Chapter 7, the bankruptcy trustee will decide whether to assume or reject contracts on your behalf. In Chapter 13, you have more control over which contracts to keep and which ones to terminate, as you're working through a repayment plan. In some cases, contracts can also be assigned to another party. This means you can transfer your rights and obligations under the contract to someone else, though this requires court approval. Assignment is more common in business bankruptcies where a buyer may take over certain contracts as part of a sale. It's important to carefully review the terms of your contracts and understand the potential consequences of assuming or rejecting them. Some contracts, like residential leases or equipment leases, may have provisions that allow landlords or creditors to seek damages if the contract is rejected. At Fairmax Law, we're here to help you make informed decisions about your contractual agreements during bankruptcy. If you're concerned about how bankruptcy will affect your contracts, contact us today for a free consultation. We'll guide you through the process and help you protect your interests while achieving financial relief. Your contracts don't have to stand in the way of a fresh financial start. Let Fairmax Law guide you through your bankruptcy and help you find the best solution for your contractual obligations.